If you follow me, you may have noticed this photo in my feed. I experienced my first major warning and breakdown in my Aston Martin, and here's exactly what happened. So I was driving home from work as normal, then all of a sudden a message popped up on the dash saying reduced engine performance, consult workshop, and then the car started beeping, it was going crazy, and eventually the car went into a full limp mode and I could barely hit over 20 miles per hour. It was horrible. Luckily, I managed to get my car home safely, driving at 20 miles per hour with my hazards on. Then when I got home, I switched the car off, went into my house and waited 10 minutes, then went back to the car, refired up the engine, and the warning was still there and it kept beeping. But then after a few minutes, it suddenly stopped and the message disappeared. But this left me with a big question. Is there potentially something seriously wrong with the car? By pure luck, I already had the car booked in at Aston Martin the next day. I wanted to give it a general health check because the warranty was going to expire the following week, believe it or not. So this all happened right at the end of my warranty period. Even though the error message was gone and the car was functioning absolutely fine, I knew Aston Martin could check the ECU because it logs every error message and they'll be able to see what caused it. And well guys, it turns out it was completely my fault. Let me explain.
If you follow my channel, you'll know I recently did a challenge spending 24 hours and sleeping in my car for Prostate Cancer UK. Turns out though, while doing this, I drained my car battery really low, and with this particular car, that can cause a lot of issues. Things like the electronic differential and other big electronic components take up a lot of power in this car, and if the battery is not fully charged, it can easily cause the car to go into limp mode, which is exactly what happened with my car.
So when Aston Martin plugged the diagnostics into the car, they were able to find out what the problem was immediately. All they had to do was clear the error message and charge the battery all the way up to 100%, and that's it. We were in the clear. No major issues, no major repair bills. Thankfully, the Aston Martin is in a clean, good bed of health. So it was a very scary day, but overall it's fantastic news. The Aston Martin is back on the road. Summer is coming here in the UK, so the roads are getting amazing, the weather's getting amazing. We're going to be doing some incredible drives in this car. I can't wait to share the videos with you guys. This was just a small little update for my regular viewers who might have been a bit worried about the car. Nothing to worry about, it's absolutely fine. It had its MOT the next week and it passed with flying colours, so yeah, we are ready for the summer.